Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you all to yet another session of English worksheet number 81. This is a continuation part of Boli chapter, the extract of which and the summary of which we have done in the previous worksheet. It's worksheet number 80. Now let us start with the last scene that has to be done and the question answers regarding this scene. Let us start with the scene now. So in this there are three pictures given. The above sequence of pictures summarizes the lesson and also describe Bholi's journey from a dumb cow to a confident girl. Now let's read the last scene of the lesson and attempt the given questions. Answer or the extract that has been here is, Pitaji, said Bholi in a clear, loud voice, and her father, mother, sisters, brothers, relations, and neighbors were startled to hear her speak without even the slightest stammer. Pitaji, take back your money. I am not going to marry this man. Ramlas was thunderstruck. The guests began to whisper, so shameless, so ugly, and so shameless. Bholi, are you crazy? Shouted Ramlal. You want to disgrace your family? Have some regard for your izzat. For the sake of your izzat, said Bholi, I was willing to marry this lame old man, but I will not have such a mean, greedy, and contemptible coward as my husband. I won't. What a shameless girl. We all thought she was a harmless dumb cow. Bholi turned into violent on the old woman. Yes, auntie, you are right. You all thought I was a dumb driven cow. That's why you wanted to hand me over to this heartless creature. But now the dumb cow, the stammering fool, is speaking. Do you want to hear more? The flames of the sacred fire slowly died down. Everyone was gone. Ramlal turned to Bholi and said, But what about you? No one will ever marry you now. What shall we do with you? And Sulekha said in a voice that was calm and steady, Don't you worry, Pitaji. In your old age, I will serve you and mother, and I will teach in the same school where I learned so much. Isn't that right, madam? The teacher had all along stood in the corner, watched the drama. Yes, of course, Bholi. Yes, Bholi, of course, she replied. And in her smiling eyes was the light of the deep satisfaction that an artist feels when contemplating the completion of her masterpiece. So let us start with the question answers right now. Question number first, why did Bholi's parent accept Bishambar's proposal? We have to write this answer in 20 to 30 words. Let's start with this. Yes. Now let us start with the explanation of this question answers. Question number 1 is, why Bholi parents accept Bishambar's proposal? Answer, Bholi's parents, if they did not, they believe that if they did not accept the proposal, Bholi might remain unmarried all her life. Her mother said that we are lucky that Bishambar was from other village and hence did not know about Bholi's pockmarks and her lack of sense. Moreover, he had not asked for any dowry. Hence, Bholi's parents accepted the marriage proposal. Question number 2. Why did Bishambar's marriage with Bholi did not take place? Answer 2. The marriage did not take place because Bholi refused to marry Bishambar. When the groom said that her face was covered with pockmarks, he declared that he would marry her only if her father paid him a dowry of 5,000 rupees. Ramlal gives him the money, but Bholi calls Bishambar as a greedy and mean person and refused to marry him. Question number 3. Sketch out Bishambar's character in the chapter. Answer. Bishamba was a middle-aged man. He was nearly as old as Bholi's father. He limped while walking. He had grown-up children from his first wife, who had died already. He had a big house and a shop, and also earned lot of money in the bank. Has lot of money in the bank. He agreed to marry Bholi without demanding dowry. But when he came to marry her, he asked for 5,000 rupees to marry Bholi after seeing black scars on her face. Bholi's father Ramlal begged him to not demand for dowry, but Bishamba stuck to his demands. Ramlal placed his turban at his feet, but Bishamba was not moved. So in this context, we can say that he is a mean, selfish and greedy person. At last, Ramlal went and opened his locker and came out with 5,000 rupees and placed the money at Bishamba's feet. But Bholi refused to marry such a man who is greedy and mean person. He was heartless. He was old man who has lame excuses to cover his selfishness. This is the correct sketch of Bishamba. Question number 4. Don't you worry, Pitaji. In your old age, I will serve you and mother. In the light of this statement, discuss Bholi's moral values. Answer 4. Unlike Ramlal's other children, Bholi was not healthy and strong. She was treated differently from her siblings, not only by the village people but by her parents as well. But her teacher brought a new ray of hope in Bholi's life. She was very encouraging, which made Bholi gain confidence to speak. After years of gaining education and with the help of teacher, Bholi turned into a confident girl. She no longer stammered and could speak properly. She even had the courage to refuse to marry the lame old man because of his greediness. On seeing her father worrying about her marriage, she said that he need not to worry, as she would teach in the same school where she learned so much and take care of him and her mother in the old age. Thus, education and love from her child transformed Bholi. This also shows that she is a philanthropic daughter who is very much vigilant about the love and care that is to be provided to the parents in the later stage of life, that is in the old age. She was a dutiful daughter who is very loyal to her parents, though she hadn't been treated well, but she is can be considered as a good daughter. Question number 5. The writer says that flames of the sacred fire slowly died down. Everyone was gone. Describe the scene in your own words. Answer 5. In the above mentioned statement, the scene which had been described is the marriage between Bholi and Bishamba that has not taken place because Bholi refused to marry Bishamba. When the groom saw that her face was covered with pock marks, he declared that he would not marry her, and he would marry her only if her father paid him a dowry of 5,000 rupees. Ramlal gave him the money, but Bholi called Bishamba a mean and greedy person and refused to marry him. Ramlal was in deep sorrow. He was feeling ashamed. The flames of the sacred fire, that has been a ritual of Hindu in which the 7 Feras are taken, had died after some time, and the guests too went away. He then asked Bholi that what would be her future now and who would marry her. Bholi replied to this statement that she would take care of both her parents and would teach in the same school that had made her learn so much. She sought approval from her teacher, who was quietly watching all the drama. The approval of her teacher to the Bholi statement was very moving for the Bholi because the teacher was deeply satisfied with the Bholi's response to the whole situation. It was similar to the way that an artist feels when he sees his masterpiece once it is complete. So, this was the whole of your worksheet. Hope you have understood it well.